Welcome back, guys. This is a Monday, and from the content calendar, we have a Monday motivational quote. So now, we want to create our first content marketing, and that's marketing our content using this content calendar we created for a week. And having to create this content calendar for a week, we'll use them throughout the week. And what we're going to do is to make sure we create the whole content process. And right now, I want to create this first content. I'll be using Canva to design. I used Meta AI to prompt the image just to show you how to use Meta AI for whatever you want to use. You can use it for whatever you want to use. So I'll be using canva.com to design the first graphics for these Monday motivational quotes. And what I'm going to do is to come here and say quotes. I'm going to type quotes in Canva search. I'm going to type quotes, and once I type quotes, you'll see different types of quotes, and we have a whole lot of quotes right here. What I'm going to do now is to choose one of these as our template, and we're going to have it edited for today's post. So I'm going to use this. I prefer to use this, and yeah, we're going to use this right now. I'll say customize post, and we're going to use this to design for these motivational quotes for today. And coming back here, I'm going to have these, and let's see, this says a whole lot. I'm going to have that deleted, and yeah, I have something I could work with right now, and I love what I'm seeing. Yeah, I could change the color to what that is, and we have a uniform type of color. Coming back here, this is the logo to Bila Tech Academy. I can just easily bring that logo somewhere. Yeah, can easily do this somewhere like this, and I can change this color to something that would suit Bila Tech Academy itself, and you can say this color. So we have something like this, and I'll create the first quote. I'll say the future belongs to those who believe in their dreams. This is the author. I'm going to cut that off. Coming back here, I'm going to have something as perfect as this, and Ctrl Z to this part. I'm going to remove that and remove the quotation because we have a quote already. I have something like this. Now it looks so great so far, and we have this. Then we are going to use this right now. I would say day one. This will be day one content. I'm going to download this. It's as simple as that. You can create as much content you want to create. Just this is the way you're going to design the graphics for the image. I'm going to download that, and I'm going to come back to my Facebook to post this directly. Having to save this would make me, and I'll be able to download this. All I have to do is to come to my Facebook to use that, and having to come back to my Facebook page, you see Bila Tech Academy, and you can post from here. All I have to do is to post photo from here, and I'm going to click on this to post download, and here we have the design itself, and we have something like this. This is the content for today, for day one, and I have it here. This is the Bila Tech Academy logo, and we have the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, and we are going to post that here. Say okay, we are going to come back to this. I'll use Meta AI again to do something. I'll say create. Let's come back to Meta AI. I'll say this is something good about this whole course. You can use generative AI to create your content without having any issue. Back to Meta AI, I'll say create a short and inspiring Facebook post from this. That will be the content. This will be the content from the content calendar, and I'm going to prompt that. So let's see what it does. Let's see. May these quotes inspire you to chase your dreams and never give up on what you desire. Believe in yourself and your abilities. And remember that your dreams are within reach. Yeah. So I'm going to just do something like this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back to the Facebook and say Ctrl V to paste that. And it says, may these quotes inspire you to chase your dreams and never give up on what you desire. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and remember that your dreams are within reach. Then the unique hashtag I told you about, we are going to put that in. I'll use hashtag Bila Tech Academy. That will be our unique hashtag. Then I'll have that. May this quote by, I'm going to put the name of the owner of the quotes, which is Eleanor Roosevelt. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back to this place and say, may this quotes by inspire you to chase. Yeah, we have this right now, and that's our first post for day one. I'm going to post that and see how it goes. Then having to post that, we have this for publish original post or turn to an event. Yeah, I want to publish original post. Then I'll come back to my WhatsApp because this is a content marketing lesson and we are going to talk about it across but not just Facebook. So this is my first content on Facebook, the first content creation from the content calendar on Facebook. Then coming back to this WhatsApp, you can actually create the same thing. You can send it as a story, you can put it on your channel. All I have to do is to copy this and come back to my WhatsApp to try to use this same post. All I have to come into WhatsApp channel and I'll post that. So I'm going to photo and I'm going to post this as the one. Then I would paste this right now and we have something like this. I would use the shift and this. Then I'm going to use the asterisk button to bolding this to how it were formatted. So we have made this post. I'm going to use asterisk, turn this to italics, and yeah, we have something like this. May this quote inspire you to chase your dream, and yeah. So I'm going to post this to the channel, and we have this on the channel already. You can share it to your audience. I have 14 followers on the channel already, and you can have this sent to your audience one by one, but you won't do that. All I have to do is to post it to my story, and to do that you need to use your mobile phone. Let me do that right away. Let me try to post that to my story, then you'll be able to see it from my story right here. So coming back to this, and you have different stories right here. When you come back here, you see no updates. You cannot post story from your web, you have to do it from your phone, and I'll be doing that right now. I'll be sharing this particular post to my status. All I have to do is to share it from, just look for the share button on your channel on your phone, then post it on your status, and I'll have that sent to the status already. And once I have it sent, you'll see it right here. I did it from my phone and the channel, I shared it from the channel, and you have it right here. That will be our day one content. I'm going to create an Instagram page later where I'm going to post this as well, and we get to see how the whole process goes. I hope to see you in the next lesson, which will be for day two content marketing. I hope to see you there. See you there.